Dan, hello, West LA computer expert, this is Dan speaking. How can I assist you today? Alex, hey Dan, it's Alex. My PC games keep crashing. I've tried everything. Can you help? Dan, absolutely, Alex. Bring your PC over, and we'll have a look. Dan, let's start by checking a few common culprits. How about we go through it together? Dan, first, we check for software updates and drivers. Outdated drivers are often the reason games crash. Dan navigates the PC settings, updating necessary drivers. Dan, next, let's monitor the temperature. Overheating can cause your system to shut down unexpectedly. Dan opens a monitoring tool to check the PC's temperature. Dan, looks like your cooling system might be struggling. Let's open up the case and check the fans and heat sinks. Dan opens the PC case, revealing dust and a disconnected fan. Dan, here's the problem. A loose fan and lots of dust buildup. Let's clean this up and reconnect the fan. Scene shows Dan carefully cleaning the inside of the PC and reconnecting the fan. Dan, alright, let's try running a game now. Dan starts a game, and they watch the screen intently. Game runs smoothly. Alex looks relieved and happy. Alex, wow, Dan, you're a lifesaver. How can I prevent this in the future? Dan, regular maintenance is key. Keep your PC clean, and update your software and drivers. And if anything goes wrong, you know where to find me. Alex packs up his now smoothly running PC. Dan hands him a card. Dan, here's my card. Call me anytime you need help. And don't forget to check out our website for more tips and tricks. Alex, thanks, Dan. I definitely will. Dan, at West LA Computer Expert, we keep your game on. No crashes, just smooth gaming. See you next time.